Samsung announced its Galaxy M55 in Brazil. Galaxy M series phones usually share similar specs with their Galaxy A series counterparts, but that is not the case here, as the M55 gets several changes, including a larger display, different chipset, and faster charging compared to the Galaxy A55. Galaxy M55 is built around a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus with FHD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It features up to 1000 nits peak brightness, an optical under-display fingerprint scanner, a 50-megapixel front-facing camera housed inside a punch-hole cutout. The back gets a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS alongside an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Galaxy M55 is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset alongside 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, which is expandable via the microSD card slot. The phone boots One UI 6.1 based on Android 14 with a guarantee of 4 Android updates and 5 years of security patches. The 5000 mAh battery supports Samsung's 45W Superfast Charging 2.0, which Samsung claims will give you a 70% charge in 30 minutes. Galaxy M55 is listed in dark blue and light green colors with a BRL $2,999, $600, and its 256GB storage. The device is already on pre-order in Brazil and is expected to arrive in more countries soon. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.